Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. If you want to be more powerful in life, educate yourself. It's that simple. The thought shows the importance of education. It says if you want to become powerful, then it is very simple. Make yourself educate, because education is the most powerful weapon which you use to change the world. So, how are you all? You all are learning well? From some previous lecture, we have started revision. In this revision series, we have completed revision of chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. Today onwards, we are going to start revision of chapter number 8, measurement. Learning objectives for chapter number 8 means which topics are included in chapter number 8, or what we are going to learn in the whole chapter. How long, how tall, how heavy, finding the weight, measure the capacity. Problem solving. Chapter 8, measurement. 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 What is a measurement? Write down everyone. What is a measurement? Now I will detect slowly so that you all can complete it. Measurement means compare to a fixed standard value to measure something is to give a number to some property of the thing. Measuring something puts the amount of the thing into numbers. Measurement can be written using many different units. WHAT watt are the main units of measurement. In this chapter, we are going to learn about these three units. LEN, GTH length, WEI, GHT weight, CAPA, CITY capacity. My dear students, in this chapter we will learn about length, weight and capacity. These are my handprints at DIFFERENT, different, AGES, ages. These are my handprints at different ages. Now everyone draw in your book different handprints. Draw your own handprint, your elder brother or sister's handprint and your mother's handprint. You can draw this very easily. Now you can see the difference between these three different handprints. Small, bigger than and biggest. Circle the, BIGGEST, biggest one, and tick the SMALLEST, smallest one. As you can see, this is the biggest handprint, so we have make circle around it. We have to make tick mark on this smallest one. THESE, these are my favorite favorite toys. Here you can see 3 different toys. Ball, elephant, car. CIRCLE, circle the. HEAVIEST, heaviest one. And TICK, tick the. LIGHTEST, lightest one. Now look at here. Which one is heavier? The car. We have to make circle around it. The ball is the lightest one, so we have to make tick mark on it. DRINK, drink. THESE, these. EVERY, every, DAY, day, every day. I drink these every day. You can see 3 glasses which are having different drinks inside it. Observe it carefully and find out the difference. The very first difference you can see is the color. Means these all are having different drinks inside it. This is yellow color, white and red. What is the another difference? This glass is full. This glass has some less quantity in comparison of this glass. You can see this glass has a very less amount of drink inside it in the comparison of these two glass. Circle the one that holds the most and tick the one that holds the least. See which glass is having most drink inside it. Make a circle around it. This glass is having least. Make a tick mark on it. THESE, these are my clothes at DIFFERENT, different ages. These are my clothes at different ages. Look, here you can find the difference well. Circle the longest one and tick the SHORTEST, shortest one. See which is the longest? This one. Make a circle around it. This is the shortest one, so make a tick mark on it. Measurement of length. What is length? Now you all have to write. Get ready. Write down what is length. Put question mark. Length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance from one point to. Length is a measure of how long an object is or the distance between 2 points. The length of an object is its extended dimension, that is, its longest side. How long? Use your fingertips to measure the length of each crayon. Here you can see three different colors crayons. Red, yellow and blue. I have measured these crayons with the help of my fingertips. I found that the red crayon is 4 fingertips long. The yellow one is 3 fingertips long. Blue one is 5 fingertips long. The dash crayon 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 is the LONGEST longest. Which crayon is the longest one? PLUE blue. The blue crayon is the longest. The dash crayon is the shortest. See which crayon is shortest? YELLOW yellow. The blue crayon is the longest. The yellow crayon is the shortest. Now, first of all, draw the lollipop like this. Then draw squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. While drawing this, keep one thing in your mind, that you have to draw the lollipop till this block only. Now draw the pencil. Beside there, draw a building of boxes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Observe this carefully, how you have to draw. Now measure the length of this pencil. How long it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 boxes. It is up to 6 boxes long. You can see that this pencil is as long as 6 boxes. Let's measure the length of this lollipop. How long it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Lollipop is up to 10 boxes long. The screwdriver is remaining. Let us see how long it is. It is up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 boxes long. This screwdriver is up to 11 boxes long. My dear students, today onwards we have started revision of chapter number 8, measurement. Today we learn what is a measurement, as well as we learn about units of measurement, as well as we learn what is a length. Also, we have solved one part of the worksheet regarding the length. In the next lecture, we will solve the remaining worksheet of length. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.